Hello, YouTube. I got my doggies barking in the background. So check this out. This is some Seamoss gel, but it's ginger, turmeric, lime blend to add the extra anti-inflammatory benefits. And this is so good. I'm gonna be doing a fast. Spring water Seamoss fast. But I'm gonna be eating like just with smoothies though, you know? Like just like some fruit in there, you know? But just try not to mind my dogs. I try to get them to not, but I just gave up at this point, you know? Like, it doesn't matter. Because if you say something to them, they aren't gonna actually do anything because they don't care. So you just have to deal with them. That's what you have to realize. You have to be patient. So this is what I'm gonna be doing. This is really good, and it has 92 out of the 102 essential vitamins and minerals you need. And I'm very excited because I'm going to be doing this fast to cleanse my body of all mucus so that I don't have to worry about getting any disease, and I'm going to feel great, so I don't really care at all. I'm not going to be tempted to eat because I know what this is going to be doing for my body. I'm just going to be snacking on fruit. That's it. Fruit and smoothies with this, yeah. Those are fire. Like, those are mucus free. I'm going to be chilling because I know the benefits. And this Seamoss is good for everything. Let me show you guys. I think it's down here. Dang. Yeah, you don't want to be eating that. So let me show you guys this. I got this on Amazon, and it's real good. I'm pretty sure it's authentic, but if it isn't, then screw this company. I don't know. But it seems like it's straight. I trust it. Mega Plants Irish Seamoss, pound of it. Chemical free, so I trust them, I guess, right? That's nice. Anti-tumor properties. Fire. So, shit. Not that part. Benefits. All this stuff. Fire. This is what I'm doing. I'm just gonna be eating this stuff. And look how good that is. Yeah. Here, want me to read it off? Increases energy, facilitates weight loss, improves digestion, soothes digestive tract, improves thyroid function, relieves joint, skin, muscle pain, strengthens connective tissue in joints, eliminates cough, phlegm, and mucus. That's the reason. Mucus! Goodbye! It boosts immune system, strengthens hair, skin, and nails, treats viral infections, decreases stress, relieves respiratory issues, sore throat, bronchitis, pneumonia, tuberculosis, chest coughs. Bruh, that's what I have because I got terrible lungs because, you know, the black market vape cartridges ruined my lungs, honestly. I'm not going to lie. But that's why I'm done with that. Getting to this. Mental, emotional health, relieves anemia. Yeah, because it's got iron. Like, you guys be sleeping on this. Don't sleep on Seamoss because you realize, oh, vegan, plant-based diet, you have deficiencies. No, I am one of the healthiest human beings on this earth right now. I'm telling you because I know. Because of this. And it's very exciting. And I can't wait. I only have a little bit left, which I'm going to need more in the future. Because this is only enough to make half of this jar. The rest that's in here is enough to make half this jar. So that's going to be so exciting to finish this up and get more. But yeah. Don't you guys love the dogs in the background talking? So I'm just going to be finishing this. I already showed you guys the health benefits of the Seamoss. If you don't want to try it for yourself, then, I don't know.
Good boy.
Thanks, Cam. My little brother. I don't mind the noise he's making because that's him. I don't care. He's just trying to get attention, and I'm giving it to him. Say hi.
Hi.
He's consuming some mucus, which, it's okay. I'll teach him one day. Because my mom won't let me teach him now because, I don't know.
My dad's here. Oh my God, I need my shoes on.
Because,
Look, Dad's here.
I know, but apparently it would be too, I saw him. It would be too hard for him to do it. I don't know. But she didn't want to have to buy all this for him, so. Yeah. But I really just want to help people gain health and knowledge so that they don't have to get cancer and waste their money on chemotherapy when it's killing you even more than it's helping. But, you know. Yeah, this is some pressure. I'm telling you. Maybe I'll just make a shake with all the stuff that's left in here. That's what I'm thinking. I'm gonna make a shake. You guys want to see? You guys want to see me make this shake? That's what I'm gonna do. Spring water. Make sure you're drinking spring water. Fluoride free because your pineal gland hates fluoride. It kills your pineal gland. It literally ruins it. It makes it turn gray and it makes it shrivel. You want it to be pink and you want it to be growing every day. Sorry. That was just a little bit of my 2 cents. My third eye sense, actually. So this is going in the refrigerator. The turmeric moss for the added benefits. Ooh, pressure. So I'm gonna be just be fasting, you know. It's gonna be fun. So I guess I'm gonna cut back in once this is doing it. So I actually do want to just film this just because it's cool, right? Okay, so the Seamoss shake. I already got the hemp seeds. I already got the flax seeds. I already got the arugula. I already got the bit of Seamoss that's already in there. I already got the kale too. So I don't even know if you can see, but I don't really care. You know what I'm talking about. So now I'm gonna add berries. And then that's it. These ones are good. There's 3 different kinds: rasps, blues, and blacks. So, just gonna load it up. That's a real fat blackberry. Check that out. Damn. It's one fat ass blackberry. Boy, that is tough. Yeah, so let's just do this. Handfuls of berries, because all the antioxidants. Oh, I have cherries. I'm going to add cherries, too, just because all those anthocyanins and all that. I forget what they are. Yeah, that's what they are. They're anthocyanins. All right, more bloobs. Look at that. My raspy hands. Look at that. So fire. Say hi, doggy. Her name is Gemini. She's pretty. I love her. Just like how I love all my animal friends and companions. So I don't even eat this. It's just in here because my mom thinks I want to eat it. And this too, I wouldn't suggest. Definitely wouldn't suggest any of this. It's not alkaline. Here's the cherries. And there's a little bit of mango in there, so. You like the feet, you know? My nails and my skin have cleared up so much since this. Hopefully I don't spill them. I think I'm gonna just load it up with the cherries. And I'm gonna just save these for the next day. And I'm just put them in here. And then And this is reusable. Alright, so I want that in there. That's great. Another rasp. Alright, that probably is good. Look at that steam in there too, boy. Alright, so I'm gonna need to add water. Oh, you're in my cabinet. Okay. I literally was about to close the cabinet. Okay, so apparently Crystal Geyser is 6.9 alkaline, or on the pH, so it should be straight. I looked it up, so whatever. If they really do lie about that, then that's just messed up. Like, lying about the pH of... Oh, I need to add some agave because this is gonna be not sweet because of this. Yeah. Y'all need to get yourself some of this agave natural sweetener, alkaline, dissolves mucus. That's probably straight. Alright, so y'all wanna see this blend or not? Well, too late. Or too bad. So sad. Oh my gosh, these berries almost just fell. That could have been bad. And I would have screamed. But I wouldn't have. I would have just been like, a waste of berries. Stupid. You know? Pressure, damn it. Pressure. Gotta get it all shaken up because there's some stuff at the bottom. Okay. We good, we chilling. Let's before I do that, I'm gonna put the stuff away, get cleaned up, and I'm just gonna talk and drink this for y'all. Alright, so I hope you enjoy this bloob stash, right? Damn, the sun's really just setting. It's like already down the horizon. Sadly. Or I would go gaze right now, but I really can't. Can't gaze because the sun's already down. Sadly, but it's alright. So, damn, I'm looking cute. I'm not gonna lie.